Hello and welcome back to Lawrence Hargrave IT tutorial series. This episode 5, we're going to look into how to download and install Microsoft Teams onto your computer. So to start with, we are going to open up our browser and go into Google search. We're going to look up Microsoft Teams download, and we're going to go to the first link that says download Microsoft Teams desktop and mobile apps. Click on that, and we're going to download for desktop. Click on that and that should get onto here. Click on the button download Teams. And in Google Chrome, your download should be at the bottom, downloading. Okay, we just had to wait for a little bit and the download has finished. Again, we can either click on this here, Teams Windows x64, or we can go into our folder to downloads and we'll look for Teams Windows 64. We'll double click on that or right click and open. That should get us to the installation file. It says that it is installing Microsoft Teams. It does everything by itself again. Now it is loading up Microsoft Teams. Okay. To double check that you have it installed, you should have an icon on the desktop, or you can check on the side that there is Microsoft Teams here. The next episode we'll look into how to log on and use Microsoft Teams.